recording.
Just a trip.
Yep.
Trying to get to that big one.
Now I have it on video. Rainy.
Oh, that's funny. You know, it's funny, it's not really that hot out here. I mean, cold.
Yeah, you're right. I don't think it's as cold as it was yesterday.
I don't think so either.
The sun helps.
Hey, Rainy. How are you?
Rainy off.
Huh? She said I'm just...
We're trying to teach her off. Good, Rainy. Good job. Rainy. Poor Dexes.